Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about GK Unit 4 Sports. So there are some of these board games. So let's see what it is. Board games are usually indoor games that follow certain rules. They probably make up the largest category of games. They are usually played on a flat surface made by cardboard, wood or other material. Players place the board on a table or on the floor and then sit around it to play. In most board games, pieces are placed on board and moved around on it. Dice, cards and other equipments can be used. So here are some of the games which are played on the board as board games, and students, we have to learn these games. So please students, learn it. Okay? So you have to learn this. Now, we go with the another exercise, that is know about games and sports. So we have to tick mark the correct answer. We have given the 3 options, and in this we have to tick mark the correct one. So first one is, which game is the term double fault associated with? So that is lawn tennis. So we are going to tick mark this like this. Then second one, who among the following is called by the nickname punter? So that is Ricky Ponting. So we are going to tick mark like this. Then third one, where were the 2012 Olympic held? So that was in London. So we are going to tick mark like this. Then fourth one, who is the highest run scorer in one day international? So that is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, then fifth one, who among the following is the winner of the gold medal in Olympics? So that is Abhinav Bindra. Then sixth one, who participates in Paralympics? So that is physically challenged people, like this. Seventh one, where were the first Olympics held? So that was Athens. So we're going to mark like this. Then Rajvardhan Singh Rathore of India is associated with which game? So that is shooting. Then ninth one, how many rings are there in the Olympic Games? So that is 5, like this. Now, the last one, 10th, the term tee off is associated with which game? So that is golf. Okay, so this is how we have to do these exercises. Now, next one, Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar. So students, here is a small summary which is given about Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so students, please learn this. Learn it. Okay, like this. Now, we'll come to the another page, that is indoor games. So here are some of the indoor games and we have to name them. Since the ancient Indian, indoor games have a popular with people of all ages. Guess the game being talked about from the information given below. Take the help from the help box. So we have to take the help from the help box. Let's begin with the first one. This traditional game is the national game of India and is played with the cowrie shells. The Ludo is simplified and westernized version of this game. So students, which game it is? It is Pachisi. That is Pachisi. Pachisi. Okay? Now, this game was probably played in Greece almost 2000 years ago in the 7th century. This game, now called battledore, was an upper caste pastime in European countries. So that is badminton. Like this. Okay, then third one of the most popular board games of the Indian subcontinent, its fusion version is called Windy Windy. In this game, you pocket the queen who need to cover it by sinking a piece of your own. So that is carom. Now we'll do this fourth one. The Germans call it puff, the French call it trekkie track, and the US Armed Forces call it essie desi. The playing board consists of 4 tables of 6 thin triangles. There are 15 white discs, 15 black discs, 2 dice shakers, and a double cube. So that is backgammon. So we're going to write it backgammon, like this. Okay? Now, fifth one. It is said that this game was invented in Jabalpur, India in 1857. Sir Neville Chamberlain is said to have developed this game by adding various colored balls to the traditional 3 billiard balls. So this is snooker. Okay? Now, the sixth one is a game played on a checked board of 64 squares of 100 squares with 10 or 12 countries representatively. It is known as checkers in the US, dama in Italy and Spain, and warsabe in Poland. Its ancestor aquilary has been found in Egypt dating back to 600 BCE. So that is drought. DRAUGHTS. That is droughts. Now the last one. Invented by an architect, it stated as the unfledged word game called Lexico in 1931. It went through several renaming processes till 1947, when James Bernot gave the name its present name, that is Scrabble. 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 Okay, students. So now we'll do the another one. That is unit 4, sports, different types of sports. So students, in this we have different types of sports. So please learn it. That is, first one is whitewater rafting, hanging gliding, T20, skydiving, and triathlon. Okay, so we have these names of these different sports. So please learn it. Learn it. Okay. So this is how we have come to the end of this chapter, and in the another video we will discuss the further topics of this book. So thank you class. Have a nice day.